Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jane, this is my jam. I'm in a little bit of a different spot right now. I am actually in my living room, had an unboxing I wanted to do with you, and just a comparison kind of thing, and just easier to do it down here today. The room I normally film in is upstairs. Hope you're all doing well, and I'll get right into the unboxing. One thing I just had to show you, this isn't really luxury, and it isn't a bag, but it's something new I got. And anybody who watches me or knows me knows how much I like color. Caleb Snell, is that it? Caleb.design.snell on Instagram and Caleb Snell on YouTube. Big fan of his. Watch him if you don't already. He always says he likes how much I like color. Well, he'll get a kick out of these. And my, yeah, other people I just love watching, but I got from a very appropriate brand, Circus, New York, these shoes. I absolutely love them. They're vegan leather, and I love penny loafers, absolutely love them. To me, the front looks a little bit like Gucci right here. Gucci wouldn't do this color combination, I don't think. The soles are like leather, not leather, like rubber, but they're the green of the shoes. So this is a mint green, pink, and yellow shoe. Yes, I will rock these. I will love rocking these. And this is just my personality. Watch Minx for All. She likes everything that glitters like a magpie. Everybody not everybody. My best friend's dad always called me magpie because I never stop talking. And something shiny, something colorful, I'll look, and I love it. So yeah, you might think they're hideous. I absolutely adore them. I will rock them. I will love them. Yeah. Okay, so now the other thing I got that is a bag, I'll show you. I don't have anything from this brand. I don't know that I ever thought I would ever get anything from this brand. Just never had any bags that really resonated with me. Just anything I've seen, I just was not a fan of. And no offense to anybody who has bags by this brand, because, I mean, thank goodness we all like different things. Otherwise, how boring would that be? But all of a sudden, I saw the bag I have here in an identical one in a different color. And I fell head over heels in love. Didn't see it in person. Saw it online. I had to have it. I had to have it. The day I saw it, I bought it. I don't ever do that with bags. Normally it's a lot of thinking and checking, comparing prices. Half my stuff is from Fashion File, so I'll be looking in Yugi's Closet. I'll be looking at Fashion File, you know. I'll be looking how much it would be retail if I could ever find a Chanel advisor. If anybody has a Chanel advisor that they would like to tell me about, please do. Autumn Beckman named one in her more recent video where she went to, was she in Austin and Yoda style came? And I tried messaging that Chanel advisor. I didn't hear back. So I would love a Chanel advisor. But anyways, this is not Chanel. But this bag I saw, and I'm not a tote girl other than a small bag that looks like a tote. A small tote that looks like a bag. How about that? But I saw this from this brand, and I fell in love. It is from Chloe, and there was a choice between an orange and this, and it had to be this. It was hard to pick, but I may go back for the other, but I got this beautiful, hard to get out of the dust bag from Chloe. I absolutely adore this. This is suede, like green suede. Just kind of show it to you here. Here's the front, side. That was the back, then side. It's got 4 sides. And then the interior is just like a canvas. And then there is a slip pocket here. It's either a top handle, and there's some leather on the top handles, or it comes with an adjustable strap here. The strap is not Okay, I lied. It comes off, so you can take the strap off if you'd like to. But I love this bag. Like I said, I am not a tote girl. I so want to be a tote girl, but I'm not. But I absolutely, like I've said 1,000 times, love the Celine Nano tote, mini luggage tote. And ever since falling in love with them, I love that. I love the Marc Jacobs, and I saw this and boom, sold. So just to give you a little comparison, because I know it's hard to tell how big it really is, just by looking at it here. Here is one of my Celine Nano totes. As you can see, the Celine Nano is probably just a hair shorter, like, well, you know, like length this way, except for the ends do kind of pop out, so then it almost looks longer. If you look at it that way, I would say they're the Chloe's a little thinner from the side, and but very very similar bags. The Nano luggage tote does have well, I have an organizer in here right now, but it does have one interior slip pocket. But I thought this was a super good price too. Like I bought this new from the website. I don't know what I have on there. But the Celine Nano retails, I think right now they're at 2,700, but this one, because it's like partially denim, was I believe 2,400. This came in at, I believe, I want to say $1,295, and they were doing the sale. My camera person just rolled their eyes. It's my son, and to give me an idea of what he thinks luxury is, I told him how much one of my bags cost one time, and he says to me, what is it, unbreakable? And I just thought it was so funny. No, they can break. Well, then, why would you ever pay that? I'm like, don't worry about it. But, so, yeah, this isn't a badly priced bag. Zip on my son. But, yeah, so, this was $1,295, and granted, this one does come with a leather interior. This has a nice canvas interior, and the outside is suede, so leather alternative, like leather. The other thing I thought I'd compare to is the Marc Jacobs bag, and I do think that this is the mini tote. I do think that the Marc Jacobs mini totes in leather are definitely bigger than the canvas ones. Not by a whole lot, but they definitely are bigger. But if you look here, if we compare them, they are pretty much identical from a length standpoint. The Marc Jacobs, the tote is much wider than, they're both totes. The Marc Jacobs tote's definitely wider, but and height wise, I would say that the Chloe is just a hair taller than the Marc Jacobs. But yeah, again, this obviously is going to be your most reasonably priced. Is that how about cheapest bag? I'm sure this is going to become a fast favorite, but these two, oh, I know, I'll never talk about. I absolutely adore these two bags, so I know I'm going to love this one as well. But yeah, I don't think you can go wrong with a mini tote. To me, it looks enough like a purse to be a purse, and but it's a tote. I mean, it carries a lot of good stuff, and yeah. So that's my haul for you today. Let's see, Winnie BLV. Love her, and she always says what her scent of the day is. My scent of the day today is by Escada, and of course I can't think of the name of it now for the life of me. So it's a kind of a fruity smell. Let's just put it that. And I've been using, trying some Louis Vuitton scents at night. And of course I can't remember the name of the one I've been using, but I absolutely love it. I might find myself loving this stuff enough for my first bottle of that. I don't have any Louis Vuitton bottles of perfume. But yeah, that's my reveal for you today. Reveal, not really unboxing. Unbagging. But anyways, if you have any questions, just let me know. Please, please, please like, comment, subscribe. Welcome so much to all my new subscribers and my old subscribers, and just yeah, thank you very much. It's fun watching channel grow a little bit, and I've been finding a lot of new creators too that I've been really enjoying watching their videos. I'm trying to think. Candy. I recently started watching her videos, and the poor thing lost her Challenger. I have a Challenger, and yeah, my heart would be broken. My dad bought it for me as a like an estate kind of gift. I mean, he's still living, but he wanted to get something for me before he ever passed away that he could see me enjoy. 'Cause he's 84 years old, but and I've had it now for 5 years, but just adore the car. So, oh, my heart just sank for you. But anyways, I digress. Please, again, like, comment, subscribe. Love the comments. I try to make sure I hit everyone. And I guess until next time, please, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Bye.